Hey baritones, thanks for tuning in. Today, we're going to be doing an ensemble music review for the song Imperial Overture. This piece is by Anam Ginty. It's in 4/4 time with some measures of 3/4 sprinkled in for good measure, and it has B flats, E flats, and A flats. Along the way, there are some other notes, and I'll make sure I point them out as we practice together. So I've got a metronome set up here, and the speed is 120 beats per minute. Now we'll take it a little bit slower so we can practice, but then you'll want to try to speed it up to that speed. Let's get started with the first 9 measures. So measures 1 through 9. In the second line, we've got 2 notes that I want to point out, G flat and F flat. So a G flat is 2 and 3 with our fingers, valves 2 and 3, and an F flat is valve number 2, second finger. So remember that when you play those 2 half notes, G flat and F flat. Let's play measures 1 and 2. 1 to 9, sorry. 1, 2, measure number 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, second line, go. Good. We're going to practice all that one more time for some practice on the G flat and F flat. Here we go. 1, 2, beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Good. Now in measure 10, we've got an ostinato pattern. That's a rhythm pattern that repeats over and over again with some subtle variations. Be careful of your rhythm counting here. You want to place these notes exactly in the beat where they belong. 1, 2, measure 10. Ready, set, go. Rest, stop. Let's try again. Make sure you're counting 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, measure 10. Ready, set, go. Rest, stop. At measure 17, you've got a little break, 7 measures rest, and then we pick up into 25. In this section, at 25, in measure 26, there's a D flat. That's 2 and 3. Don't forget about D flats, 2 and 3. In the next measure is a G flat. That's also 2 and 3. And a C flat. C flat is fingers 1 and 2. Write those in if you need to with a pencil until you've mastered the D flat, G flat, C flat notes. Let's give it a try. Pick up the 25. 1, 2, 1, ready, go. Let's do it again. 1, 2, and ready, pick up, go. 2, 3, 4. The next section I want to work on is right below measure 25. It's Andante Cantibile. This is where the song gets slow and pretty. And we'll take our metronome and we'll drop our speed as well because Andante is a slower tempo. I've got my metronome set at 72 to practice this section. We're going to play all of the Andante Cantibile, which is from the words Andante Cantabile to the end of the next line. You'll know when to stop because I'll stop. Join me and let's play starting on a B flat half note, dotted half note. 1, 2, ready, B flat, go. And stop. Great job. One more time. Andante Cantabile. 1, 2, high B flat, and go. Great job. Now, for the last 4 lines, the tempo goes back to Allegro con spirito, just like we started at the beginning. We're going to start playing right at the pickups to measure 46. Bum bum bum, bum bum bum, bum bum bum, bum 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 bum. And you'll notice there's some D flats in there. Remember, D flats are fingers 2 and 3. 2 and 3 for D flat. Here we go. Pickups to 46. And 1, 2, 3, 4, ready, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 53, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And stop right there. All right, that was a long section to practice. How did you do with your D flats up there in measure 47 and 48? If you missed them, don't worry. We're going to go back and practice it one more time. Here we go. Pickups to 46. 1, 2, 3, 4, ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 53. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, ready, and stop. For the last line, measure 62 to the end is in 3/4 and then 4/4. No matter for us because we have dotted half notes. They get 3 beats. B flat, then A flat, then G flat 2 and 3, and F flat 2. Let's play the last line. Ready? 1, 2, 62. 1 more time. 1, 2, 62. And there you have it, the Imperial Overture by Anna Ginty, and we went and practiced through each of the sections a few times. I hope it was helpful, and now I hope that you'll want to go back and try playing it by yourself, or try playing it along to the reference recording that's in our band music recordings folder. So until I see you next time, keep practicing.